Yo guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. On today's video, we will be discussing the important supportive bounce that we were getting here on the BTC compared to US dollar pair. As well, we of course are going to discuss the probabilities where the symmetrical triangle can be breaking out towards. As well, we will be discussing the Ethereum price action, and that we were mentioning yesterday that we perfectly, of course, were calling this supportive touch over here, and that we were telling you guys that you want to be accumulating some Ethereum. And of course, guys, I will be also going into the ascending triangle for the price action of Ethereum, because this is also a very important pendant that we have to be looking at. Besides that, guys, I will be also, of course, talking a little bit about the trade, how it is currently going, and give you guys a quick update. And I will be talking a little bit about some exchange flows here in the Ethereum price action. So guys, if this sounds interesting, make sure to right away smash up that like button, guys. Let's go for 300 likes on this video. If you haven't already, make sure to right away go to below the video and smash up the like button. Will be, of course, helping me out quite a lot here. And as well, if you're new to the channel, right away make sure to subscribe to the channel, because that will be, of course, absolutely cool here. Because yeah, we are heading towards the 50k here, only 600 subscribers away from it. So it will be amazing if you're going to join the party here. So guys, what have we been seeing with Bitcoin? Why have we been bouncing? It's very easy to say here. We have been, of course, having this supportive touch on this level here. And of course, there are some multiple levels that we have been looking at recently. And I mean, there is some other levels, like you can see over here. We were discussing this level before as well here. The 36k towards the 36.6k is also a very strong supportive box here. And you can see coming together with the upper sloping support line, this box is, of course, helping us to push the price a little bit higher. So yeah, this is extremely exciting. And I can't wait to see where we're going to go towards. Of course, guys, it's weekend. The volatility can be high. There can be a lot of manipulation going around in the weekend. But of course, it's beautiful to already see such a bounce coming into the charts here. So yeah, guys, we can still break either direction here, to be honest. Of course, I would like to see a breakout towards the upside. It can be a 28% move here. And of course, if we're going to break down here, this will be a 30% move towards the downside. And of course, guys, it will be quite exciting. We're right now trading at the middle once again here. So absolutely, we can't say anything here. We can't say which direction is going towards till we're going to see a breakout, basically. And I mean, I've been talking about several levels here as well. The 37.5k that I do want to be seeing some 4-hourly candle close above it once again, because we broke below it. And right now it looks to be, yes, guys, if we can close this 4-hourly candle, and of course, once this video is live, I probably think it's just closed there. So yeah, if we close it above the 37.5k, guys, that's quite bullish, because if we're then going to go for a retest here, just like we did over here, it can be adding some more fuel towards the market. And of course, this can be potentially give us some higher price targets. So yeah, it looks pretty good here. Breaking through this level, of course, bouncing perfectly from of the supportive line here in the symmetrical triangle. I think there is really more upside potential here towards the higher targets, of course. And guys, as well, a reason why I do feel very exciting right now here is because as well here on the 4-hourly MACD, guys, we can see, of course, that we are starting in higher low here. The sellers are losing their strength, of course. Also, we're still starting this lower high structure, and it's, of course, also is signifying that the market is cooling off more and more and more, and that there are more sellers going out of the market, but also more buyers going out of the market. So yeah, there will be probably high amounts of volatility anytime soon here, and it will be, of course, very exciting, because I like volatility, because it's always providing us insane good opportunities. And I mean, guys, we have been also discussing already the daily crossover for Bitcoin. Since we were getting the daily crossover, we have been searching pretty significantly. From that point on, we have been searching 7%, and we have been warning you guys several times here about the daily bullish crossover on the MACD, that it usually, of course, if we're talking about history, tends to really give us more upside potential here. And I think, yeah, it can be definitely playing out right now as well here. And as well, what you can see over here, on the daily MACD, we have been starting in higher high structure, and of course we still have been setting a lower high, but this higher high structure already is, of course, confirming that we can be probably seeing a trend reversal right now on the daily. So this looks also quite exciting here, and I can't wait to see what we're going to go towards. So then let me discuss the price action of Ethereum. Because, guys, yesterday, of course, we were talking about the Ethereum price action. Of course, where we were talking about the Ethereum price action, literally over here, I was making a video yesterday, and you can go back to the video, and we were discussing as well in the stream. We have been mentioning this level several times there, that, of course, we are right now retesting our previous resistance target. And I have been saying this several times here, guys. We are trading on the 4-hour. We have more time to anticipate it, but please don't miss out on this opportunity. And you can see it touching this level. It took maybe 4 hours, but still, 8 hours. It took 8 hours, but still we blasted off towards the upside. And this is, of course, extremely bullish to see, extremely good to see as well here. You can see Ethereum is leading the way as well compared to Bitcoin, because the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation has been increasing, pretty significantly in the past hours here. So yeah, Ethereum is currently leading the way here compared to Bitcoin. We're trading on $2,800, guys. I would definitely still would love to see this breakthrough to $2,858 towards the 2,900 here, because this will be an important resistance level here, and if we can be breaking through that level, that will be, of course, extremely exciting for all the Ethereum lovers. And of course, I'm definitely one of them as well here. So yeah, looking forward towards it. I mean, we have been saying that we already will be trading between these levels, probably for a longer period of time here, until we're going to see this breakout through the top side. Of course, you can see as well here the volume has been really decreasing very significantly as well here on the Ethereum price section. And of course, since the volume is decreasing so significantly, you can see we are preparing ourselves. We are definitely in a pattern for volume is decreasing. We're consolidating, and just a big move is upon us. And we will be, of course, seeing probably extreme volatility here on the price action of Ethereum. And that's, of course, an extreme exciting thing here, because yeah, I like volatility. I like potential high returns here. And of course, Ethereum can definitely be providing us that. So that is, of course, the very exciting part about it. We can also, of course, still see a breakdown here. Let me set this up real quickly for you guys. So yeah, potential breakdown can be still pushing down the price with another 41% here. But of course, the potential breakout towards the upside can be also pushing up the price with 40%. So this can be a very exciting move here that we can be trading either direction. We're going to make big gains here. And of course, currently, I already have my Bitcoin position open. I've been telling you guys that I have several levels that I will be adding more to my position once we're falling further. And of course, we have not touched these levels yet here, but this is, of course, extremely exciting, because yeah, I'm still, of course, in my position here. I will be definitely trying to hold this one for the longer term here. I will be riding my trade towards new all-time highs. And of course, if you still want to be joining me with swing trading, of course, later today we will be also streaming here to give you guys some more explanations about how we, of course, are going to use our strategy here. But of course, if you're willing to swing trade, you can definitely already sign up here with Bybit in the link in the description. They are currently offering you a $2,610 deposit bonus. It will be amazing if you're going to sign up right now here. And of course, guys, the opportunities are extremely high, especially right now here. We're still sitting at lower stages. It can still provide you these extreme good entries. And of course, that's the reason why I'm currently opening them. And of course, I've been telling this one to all of you guys. And that's, of course, the main reason why I do feel very excited about it. So yeah, Ethereum looks pretty good here. Ascending triangle, guys. We have to be waiting for the breakthrough of the neckline here, of course, but we also got this perfect bounce on the lower side over here. You can see, yeah, we perfectly touched this level, and since then we increased in valuation. So yeah, it looks quite exciting here, of course, and hopefully we can be going for some potential higher targets. And in general, yeah, Ethereum can probably show some more volatility towards the top side of resistance. And of course, guys, I will be going live later today, especially if we're going to see a breakout or something else, because yeah, I would love to open a trade all together with you guys once we're seeing a breakout. So yeah, looking forward towards it. Can't wait to see what we're going to do, guys. And yeah, hopefully we can be, of course, gaining the market altogether. Besides that, guys, if we're also looking to some on-chain data, you can see over here the Ethereum, the Ethereum exchange flow is very exciting, because as you can see here, for the past approximately 7 to 8 days here, you can see there's almost no Ethereum going out of exchanges. There's only more Ethereum going. There's almost no Ethereum going out of the exchanges. There's only Ethereum going out of the exchanges. So that means that, of course, more people are sending their Ethereum away from the exchange, what means, of course, that people are accumulating and people are not looking to sell for these cheap levels. So yeah, it's very exciting that we have been only seeing accumulation for the past 7-8 days here. So yeah, definitely very exciting to see here. I do think that it is definitely not a bad time to accumulate over here. I do think if you're going to not accumulate right here, you're going to potentially miss out on very good returns, and that should definitely not be part of my strategy here. And guys, by the way, here, if you also want to be following me here on Instagram, you can follow me over here at CryptoRoverYT on Instagram. Look out for all the fake accounts, but this is the real account. So please make sure to follow me as well here. Will be amazing. But guys, this was already this was already it for the quick update video here for you guys. Of course, later today I will be back with another live stream, so we can be going into depth of Cardano and of course some more altcoins. And of course, if you have some other suggestions for me, what I really have to be looking into towards, make sure to drop it in the comment section. By the way, if you watched till this part of the video, make sure to say 1, 2, 3 in the chat here. You are a true legend. Thank you so much for watching till the end, of course. And guys, hopefully I can see you guys back tomorrow in a new video. And of course, I say back tomorrow, but I mean, hope I see you back later today in the stream here on the channel. Goodbye.